Hello everyone, this is Sharif Abu Zaid with a new quick video, and in today's video I want to show you how you can create this countdown timer using a free WordPress plugin. I'm going to show you how you can add it, how you can style the background color, you can change it to whatever you want, you can increase or decrease the font size or change the font size to whatever you want. Even if you are not using an English website, I'm going to show you how you can translate this, like the days, hours, minutes and seconds in any language that you will speak. Also, I'm going to show you the different options that you have once the countdown timer finishes. But if this is your first time watching one of my videos, please consider to subscribe to my channel to support me growing this YouTube channel. Now let me show you how you can create this countdown timer for free. To create this countdown timer, I'll be using the Kadence blocks, Gutenberg blocks for page builders features a plugin. This is a free plugin that you can use to build different types of pages such as sales pages, opt-in pages, squeeze pages, landing pages. But I am more interested in showing you how you can use the countdown timer block for this plugin. To install it, you just need to, let me just copy this. You just need to go to plugins and then click add plugin and search for Kadence blocks in the search bar here. And this is the plugin. It is created by Kadence WP, which is a very strong WordPress theme. Developers, they develop great products. So now once you have it installed and activated, if we go to this page and we click here, this plus button, you'll find all of these widgets that you can use to build different types of pages. As I mentioned, you'll find the count up, form plugin, icon list, and different types. So let me just take the block of the countdown timer, let me drag it and just add it maybe below this paragraph here, okay? And let me close this one. So we need to choose the countdown timer to access its settings here, general and style tab and advanced tab. You can do a lot of things here. For example, you can choose the countdown type. It is date. Is it a date or an evergreen? The difference is that date, it means the countdown timer will stop at a specific date. For the evergreen, it means the countdown timer will start and finish according to each visitor who visits the page. Here under the style tab, let me just make this like a date. Under the style tab, you can make all the styling, or you will have all the styling options that you like. For example, countdown item settings, the days, hours, and minutes and seconds. You can just make the background. Let me make the background, let's make it like this, okay? And here we can choose a border if you like to have a border. And for the numbers, you can even choose here the colors. Let's make this white and let's make them X large, okay? And now when we go to the labels, which are the days, hours, and minutes, we can change them into, let's make them white as well. And that's it. This is now really good looking countdown timer. Let's make this center aligned and let me show you some additional settings. If we go to the general tab and here we just go to the let me go to the countdown layout, you can make this inline so it makes like just in a vertical, okay, or horizontal, sorry, alignment. Let's make this a block, okay? And even we can add a countdown timer pretext. Let's say this offer ends after, okay? And this looks fine. If we want to make the size, the font size bigger, we just need to go back to the style tab. Inside the style tab, you will have all the options of making this look beautiful. You'll find a new item here called pretext, and this is what makes actually all the Kadence products amazing. You don't see the options of an item unless you activate it, because we have added the pretext. Now we can see the settings for the pretext. Let's make this X large as well, okay? So now this looks fine. Of course, you can change the font. Let's make it uppercase or I mean, you can do a lot of things here. Right, so now let's go back to the general tab here. Now, as I mentioned, this is like the countdown timer date. It is like date. Here we can choose, let's make this ends in the 13th of August. If we go down here, we can enable a divider between these, but I think if we go to the style tab again, we'll find the divider. No, not the divider, okay. Let me just go down here. You will find the options of the divider just below here. Let me just disable it. Now, if we like to display the days, we can just disable them or show them off, shut them down, disable them. Let me disable them. So this is now 314 hours, which is not good. So let me just show the days, okay? If you like to change, if you are creating a website into a different language, you can just change the days translation and hours inside this these labels, okay? So now we need to choose what should happen after the countdown timer expires. Should you just show a zero, a show timer at zero, so it will be like zero? Or if you like to hide it, you can just hide it here. If you like to make it, replace it with some content, so you need to tell people that sorry, the offer has expired. You can just choose to replace it with content, and here you'll find just this is the live, this is the expired. Here you can write the content. Let's say heading sorry, you missed this. Okay, so now they missed this offer. Come back again in by August, for example. Okay. So this message will show once the countdown timer expires. But if we just go there again, if we go to the countdown timer, this is the content. If we go to the countdown timer, I like to be like redirect. So if the countdown timer is expired, I like to redirect people into another page. And here we can choose the redirect URL. Let me just choose replace with content and choose live now again. Now the last setting that I need to show you is the repeat countdown timer. Now you can even choose to auto repeat the countdown timer if it expires. This is similar to the evergreen. Now let me go to the evergreen. If we choose the evergreen, we can just make this, let's say the evergreen hours is like let's say 48 hours. So it's now like 2 days, and minutes is, let's say 25. Okay, so this evergreen countdown timer will show up. It will show like 2 days and 24 hours for every visitor who visits this page. Okay, and that's it. This is how you can actually create a countdown timer using the Kadence Blocks free plugin if you are using WordPress editor. Now, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.